So for this project, I'm using the Lanalon Yarn, which is a fingering weight kind of yarn that can be bought locally here in the Philippines. If you're not in the Philippines, you can buy any fingering weight yarn if you'd like to have the same size as my project right now. And then for the hook, I'm using the 2.5mm crochet hook. I bought it at Oh My Yarn, but if you'd like to avail for free shipping and other discounts, I suggest that you would buy this one on Shopee, and I will add the Shopee link in the description box for those of you who would like to buy. To start, maybe I'll try the lighter one so it's easier for you to see how I make the chains. So we're going to start by making a slip knot. So this is how I do the slip knot, and then I insert the hook. I will chain in multiples of 6. So we need 6 chains to make up 1 stitch. So we have 6. So we keep on chaining in multiples of 6 until we get to the length that we would like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you get to the length that you would like, then you're gonna measure it. Say for example, if you'd like to make, this is the length that I want to get, and this is how I measure, because we're gonna make a pouch in horizontal position so that we can place the phone this way. So once you get to the length that you would like, you're going to double the amount of chains. So I have 36. Now I'm gonna work 36 more chains. Alright, so when you get back, you should have 3 chains left. And then we're going to chain 3 for the last time, and then we close off the round with a slip stitch on top of the chain 3 or the beginning chain. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to chain 1, and then we cut off the yarn. So we will be changing colors every time we get to the next round. So for the next round, I'll be using this color. This is color caramel. So I'm going to twist the yarn twice into the hook, and then I'm going to make a double crochet into the first 3 chains after the 3 double crochets of this first round. So 1 double crochet into each of the 3 chains. And then we're gonna chain 3. We're gonna skip the 3 double crochets in there, and then into each of the next 3 chains we're gonna work 3 double crochets. Now we're gonna chain 3, and we keep on doing this until we get to the end of the round. So this is what it looks like once you get to the end, just like what we did in the previous round. We're gonna end with chain 3, and then we're going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, and then we're gonna chain 1, and then we're gonna cut off the yarn. So on round 3, we're gonna use another color of yarn. This is chocolate brown. And then what we're gonna do next is we're going to repeat what we did on the second round. We're going to wrap it around the hook. This way we are making a standing double crochet. Insert into the 3 double crochets of round 1. So this is the starting first stitch of this round, and then we're gonna work a standing double crochet in there. And then we're gonna work 1 double crochet into each of the next 2. So we're just like repeating what we did in the previous rounds. We're going to chain 3,